Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to fix overheating issues on Xbox controller. So if your Xbox is overheating, it may shut down or slow down. So here is how to fix and prevent future issue. So I'm going to walk you through different steps at which you can fix this issue. The first step is to improve airflow and ventilation. So place your Xbox in an open space, not inside a tight cabinet. Then keep it at least 4 to 6 inches away from wall or another object. Then avoid place it on carpet or soft surface that block vent. Then on the step 2, you have to clean the fan, the vent and fan. So turn off the Xbox and unplug it. Use the compressed air or a soft brush to clean dust from the vent and fan. Then if the console is very dusty, vacuum around it to remove the build-up. Then check for overload or high room temperature. Avoid playing for long hours without break. Ensure your room isn't too hot. Use a fan or AC if needed. Then keep the console away from direct sunlight. Then avoid overworking the console. Close unused app running in the background. Limit 4K or high performance mode if your console is struggling. If overheating persists, consider using an external cooling fan. Then your Xbox should now stay cooler and run smoothly. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this. Thank you.